Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Richard DiCenso, known to most of my patients as Dr. D. Today I want to take a few moments to share with you some of the new research associated with an old organism that frankly has been around for hundreds of thousands, if not millions of years, and that organism is called the mitochondria. Now, as many of you might already be aware, the mitochondria is an organism inside every cell in the body except red blood cells, and it has one responsibility, and that responsibility is to create energy. Now, the recent research, particularly during this past year, and frankly, as of January of 2018, there have been 50,000 plus studies developed regarding the function of the mitochondria in relationship to chronic degenerative and non-responsive disorder. So there's quite a lot of interest in this old organism at this point in time. Now, when we think of the mitochondria, of which there are hundreds and even thousands in any given cell, in any given tissue, organ, or gland, that has the responsibility of creating energy for that cell and the systems that it's related to, there are a number of steps in the process in order for that organism to create the appropriate amount of energy. Some of the steps are: you need to have the nutrients in the diet. You need to be able to break down, digest, and absorb, utilize, integrate those nutrients. The cell membrane of the individual cell in which the organism is present needs to be permeable to those nutrients, and then once inside the cell, those nutrients are converted through a process known as the TCA cycle into another form, at which point they're fed into the mitochondria itself and processed through a mechanism called the electron transport chain, which, if working appropriately, converts those raw materials into energy. Now, recent research has demonstrated that in all probability, a defect or a mutation in the ability of the mitochondria to function normally is at the root of most, if not all, chronic degenerative, non-responsive disorders. Now, this is incredible research. It's an incredible finding, and it's something that really needs to be looked at, not only by the researchers at this point, because there's a wealth of information available, but by the individuals who are interested in enhancing their own health and their own well-being, not only in terms of day-to-day function, but in terms of longevity as well. So if this is something that interests you, I would suggest two things, because there is a process, an evaluation process that I've developed, I created over the last 40 years that actually depicts the degree to which the mitochondria is functioning efficiently. And that process is called the Matrix Assessment Profile, or the MAP. So one of two things I'd like for you to do after you've watched this video. Click the link below, and you're going to have two opportunities. One is to purchase this evaluation process at a significant discount, or you can simply listen to the expanded audio version of this video detailing the function of the mitochondria and its role in chronic degenerative and non-responsive disorders. So until next time, I'm Dr. Richard DiCenso. Thank you so much for watching.